Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to send money via the crypto network. So this may be from Binance to KuCoin, or Binance to MEXC, or MEXC to MetaMask, or MetaMask to any other cryptocurrency exchange or wallet out there. It's incredibly simple to do. This is going to be the start of a new series going forward, here to help our newer cryptocurrency investors in the space get to that next level. It's incredibly important to have a good knowledge on how cryptocurrency works and how to utilize this space and all the aspects and features this space and industry has. So going forward, we're going to be doing a lot of these sorts of tutorials to get you guys up to the par that you need to be in order to succeed in crypto. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Just remember, nothing I say is financial advice. My name is Zach. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and also check out the Patreon and Discord server. Links are in the description. Alright, so first things first, we need to go to the exchange that we want to withdraw the money from, which in this example is going to be Binance, a very popular exchange across the world. So what we need to do when we want to withdraw money from Binance is first we need to actually go to our wallet. So what we do is we go to our wallet, our spot wallet, and then we go and find the cryptocurrency that we wish to withdraw. Now, I don't use Binance too much anymore. However, it's a good place to have money just in case, as it's a very reputable exchange. So now we're going to go down to our USDT coin, as this is going to be the coin that we're transferring in this video. So what we can do is we can go down to withdraw, and this will take us to an interface. This is basically how we send cryptocurrency. Now, this may look a little bit daunting, but the only sections we need is this one here, this one here, this one here, and there'll be another one that pops up down here with the amount of money that we want to send. So now that we have selected the coin that we want to withdraw, we need to send that coin somewhere. So we need something called an address, and an address is a place that we can send cryptocurrency. What cryptocurrency? The cryptocurrency we have selected here. So in order to get an address, we need to go to the destination, which in this instance is MEXC. So we'll jump over to MEXC, and what we need to do is get a deposit address so that we can withdraw our cryptocurrency. So we do this by going into wallets and going into deposit, or whatever exchange or wallet you might have. You just need a deposit address for that selected chain. So in this instance, we're going to be depositing on one of these addresses. So a few of these addresses line up. So say, for example, your Ethereum deposit address on Binance is going to be the exact same as your Binance deposit address. However, different chains on different exchanges have different deposit addresses. So if you're going to change your deposit address last minute, make sure you confirm that they're not a different actual address, because if we have a look here, if we want to send to the Ethereum, via the Ethereum network, and last minute we're going back to Binance and we've decided to choose Tron, and then we select the Tron network here, it's not going to go through. So in saying that, what we're going to be doing today is using Ethereum. It's pretty expensive and it's quite slow. So as you can see, there's heaps of benefits in using Ethereum, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to keep it nice and simple. So all we do is paste that address, then we're going to select our Ethereum network. Sometimes it will automatically select the Binance network. All we need to do is click that and then change it to the Ethereum network. So now we want to send USDT, which can be sent by the Ethereum network. So if you have a coin that's made on Ethereum that doesn't support Binance, you can't send it on using the Binance chain. So you have to use the Ethereum or ERC20 chain. So USDT can be sent via the Ethereum network. We have selected our deposit address, aka our MEXC Ethereum network deposit address. So our USDT is going to go to this account, basically this destination using this chain, and we're going to withdraw $100. That obviously won't be there, but we can just select 100 from our spot wallet. And then we can see that we have our network fee here. So this is when, if you want to save a little bit of money, you can use a cheaper chain such as Binance, such as MEXC, such as Arbitrum, but you need to ensure that the coin you are sending supports these chains, and also that the deposit location accepts these chains as well. So you should always have the Ethereum selected on your withdrawal screen and also on your deposit screen when you're generating an address. That is very important. Then from here, all we simply do is click withdraw. Now you can do this for anything. All you need to do to send cryptocurrency from A to B is a deposit address. With a deposit address, you can send anything, anywhere, at any time of the day or night. It doesn't matter. There aren't many limits. Obviously, we can see there's a $24.8 million USDT limit, but I don't personally see myself sending $8 million at the current point in time. So there's nothing really to worry about. I know a lot of banks out there have different ways to cap actual sending amounts. Cryptocurrency, there's no sending limit. Alright everyone, that is going to be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And if you have any questions, make sure you join the Discord server. Link is in the description. And if you like that mentoring one-on-one, get access to a huge range of benefits, make sure you check out the Patreon. Check out those benefits. Link is in the description. We've just gone through a massive upgrade and there are heaps of new benefits and much more coming in the near future. Secure your price for life. Apart from that, hope the markets have been trading well and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.